Whoa, slow down. Get this. Look, there he is.
We see we got the fish. Oh, look at that. Right there, boys. Yeah,
look at
man.
him. Oh, he doesn't want to come to shore yet.
He's hitting the drag.
Oh, watch the rock.
Damn, you have to get out.
Don't want to break another one.
Wait a minute, we got a rock here.
Oh, wait. Oh, boy.
Oh, he's a fighter.
Sam, you're gonna have to get out.
I can't get. Okay.
I can't get. Okay.
Oh. There you go, Billy. Over here. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Watch the boat.
Oh, he's on it. Okay, bit.
I can't do anything. I'm recording.
The effort.
Be careful, Mom.
I'm trying to get my butt out of the boat.
Get on, Billy.
Billy, just move for
Just shut up. I got you. Oh, I got that flip. Sweet. How you doing, Sam? How you doing, Sam?
It's tiring, man. Why don't get over here?
Shut up. This is I come in there.
Get this one.
I got him.
Push hard. All right, Mom. Nice job. Get it. Hold on. Get a picture. Get it on. Don't be doing so slow. Back up a little bit, Billy. Don't be zoomed in all the way.
Not soon.
Get good video.
We see him, we got the catcher.
You see him, we got ourselves a northern slike. See a snipe?
Oh,
Damn, the
my hands are dead.
Nice
so
fish.
tough. My hands.
Look at that boy. That's a nice fish. Look at the teeth on that sucker.
Go all inside. Emmanuel.
Yeah, that's a
12 pounder?
13 half.
Let's see. Get it over this way so Billy can get a measurement on it. This thing is going to be violent though, so hold on tight.
I can't hold on.
I can't even do it, Minnow.
He's so pooped out.
Wait, I got a knife. I can slice it.
Here, pull mine out and just cut it.
I got it. Right there. Back up a little bit. He's going to want to do the flippy floppy.
I'm trying to find the freaking slice.
There it is. Now back up first. Billy, come this way.
Not even close.
10?
8.13.
What? Oh wow, I felt bigger than that. 9 pounds.
9 pound 11. No wait, I'm not holding the handle. That's cheap. 8.13.
9 pounds.
9 pounder.
It's only a 9 pounder. Felt like it was more than that. But them jigs are so tough. You want to keep it?
No.
You got to put them on your stringer then. Okay.
I would like to eat them.
You want to?
Here, let me get a
Yes.
picture with him though.
Oh, how do you stop the... You just push OK?
Yeah, Bush. Hey, Billy, wait. Look at me quick with that.
I'm recording.
9 pound northern.
That's a good
Not
fight.
too shabby. Up here, in Boundary Waters, up on the Boulder River between Lac LaCroix and Lake Agnes. Just got out here. It's about 12 o'clock already, and caught a walleye and then this guy. So
It's gonna be good fishing.
yep.
Oh.
Alright, stop it.